Hi, my name is Tom McCrae, one of your hay specialists at Ag Shield. Thanks for joining this guide to users for the payback worksheet for recons. For years, hay specialists, university science have been telling us how to do individual aspects of improving and how we make our hay. This payback spreadsheet pulls those measures together into a single source where you can see your bottom line results on your farm. Let's get started. We've got inputs here in purple. So you've got simple 200 acres, or the acres of hay grown on your farm, the number of cuts per year, the number of tons per acre, the selling price in dollars per ton. Outputs there for you. You're going to harvest 600 acres of hay. You're going to have 1,200 tons. It's going to be worth $180,000 if everything went as perfectly planned. From there, we've got a selling price calculator based on relative feed value. If you got 170 feed value hay, you have $1.10, means your ton price of 187 could move up into this 150 spot here. So just a sub calculator there for you. Loss of weight per day above 35% moisture. Everyone knows we have respiration. We're losing weight 3% each day. We're sitting out there above 35% moisture. What we're losing is down here is the most digestible carbohydrates. So at that point in time, the hay quality, the relative feed value is taking quite a hit, and we find that relative feed value of 5 points lost per day makes a 3.3% of a regular 150 average relative feed value hay. So how does that matter? Well, when you start working out harvesting sooner, because your hay comes in quicker with the recon, you get it down below 35% moisture quicker. 1 day sooner, your weight gains are $5,400. The value in relative feed value is $5,900. We work with $6 per acre to include a tractor man, fuel, oil change, repairs, total of $3,600 on the 600 acres in a year. Annual cost of owning a machine, let's write it off at 20% per year. Now you got $7,700 minus $4,500. You got $3,200 just for using a machine, writing it off, covering all expenses, and we haven't had a drop of rain yet. When it rains, we all know things are going to get worse. How much crop will you save if you go a 1 day save? So if you went from 3 days back to 2 days, or from 4 days back to 3 days, from cutting to baling, well, you'd probably save 30% of your crop from getting rained on, and when it does get rained on, you lose 33% of the value. So that's a simple $17,800 loss out of the bit of rains that we get. Add that to the income we already had just using it above, so you got around 21,000 on a 1 day sooner. Now let's take 5 days from cut on day 1 to bale on day 5. Take that back to bale on day 3. Now we've got 2 days of weight savings. We've got 2 days of extra relative feed value. We still got the same $6 an acre, so 19,000. Still have the same cost. We got a net without rain at 14.5, and a net now, if we go from 5 to 3, I think you're going to reduce the hay that you get rained on to less than 50%, or a $44,000 saving. So simple unit. Call us. We can send this spreadsheet out to you. It's an Excel sheet, and you can work with it yourself, but literally you can put in any different parameter here that suits your farm. Thanks for watching, coming in to our payback worksheet seminar. You have a great day.